right, so this is Lewis.
Yeah.
All right, and what is this?
This is a Mercedes V12.
Okay.
It's a M1 275 engine.
Okay.
That's out of S-Class 221,
Okay.
previous generation. It's burning too much oil for the client.
Okay, they put too much oil?
No, it's burning oil.
Oh, burning oil, okay.
Yeah, it's burning 10 quarts at 5,000 miles. So this is just residue of oil being burnt.
Okay.
And that is just being passed by the piston rings, the oil rings.
Yeah, it passes
on
through.
it. Yeah.
Right.
So it's passing through the oil, it's burning it through the crankcase, and eventually coming out exhaust what's running.
Right, so you're gonna just reseal the engine? Or?
I'm replace the pistons, rods. I'm gonna replace the pistons, the rings, rods, and turbos.
Oh, wow.
Turbos.
Oh, these are turbos over here?
Yeah. The one's a turbo. That's a cylinder head, valves.
Yeah.
That's a second cylinder head.
Oh, it's a twin turbo?
Yeah.
Wow. It's
Yeah.
a pretty big overhaul, I guess. So what's your turnaround time? Like, how long do you think this will take you?
Oh, I'm not sure. It pays customer pay. It pays 60 hours to
About 60 hours?
Yeah, just to.
It might take you longer though. So.
Yeah. My last AMG motor took me 47 hours.
That's pretty good.
And
That's efficient. Yeah.
And I built it completely from every single seal piece you can think of, I would say.
So you're almost like the guys that build them by hand over in Germany. You're just the guy that builds it by hand over in the U.S.
Yeah.
So. All right, cool.